How to find trending sounds on TikTok. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can find trending sounds on TikTok. So let's dive in. First, open your TikTok app and then you have to click this plus sign over here, and once you do so, just choose any of the video that you want to post. So I'm just going to click this plus sign and choose a picture or video. Once you choose the picture or the video that you want to post and now you want to add trending sounds, just click add sound on the top. Once you click add sound, it's going to bring you to this page, and now you can see you have this recommended option. Click all. And here you'll find all the trending sounds. These are all the trending sounds as these are recommended. The recommended music that you can see in the list are all the trending sounds. And that's how you find the trending sounds on TikTok. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video. And if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.